The Three Gorges Museum in southwest China's Chongqing is using digital technologies to revive cultural relics, offering visitors an immersive tour experience.
我们呢一直非常重视信息化建设工作，注重文物的活化利用。我们打造了三峡数字博物馆项目，通过结合 VR、AR、MR 以及互动膜墙等技术手段，开发了一些多媒体资源，制作了虚拟展和系列的动画，接着构建了三峡文物数字化保护等项目，围绕了三峡文物，例如白鹤梁皮刻，做了一些数字化的探索，充分满足了观众对文物的不同需求。之后呢，我们又与互联网公司跨界合作，并举办了数字化展览，实现了传统文化在新时代的创新传播。
The Relics of White Crane Ridge is a 1,600-meter long and 25-meter wide smooth stone ridge, engraved with inscriptions about China's longest river, dating back to 763 in the Tang dynasty. It is claimed to be the world's oldest hydrographic survey device, and is one of the 4 state-level national treasures in the Three Gorges area.